Morning guys, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic start to your weekend. Today is bike maintenance day / rest day. So I currently have the bike on the stand. This is my Aquila Equip Evo carbon bike. I got it from a shop in Oakville called Brisha Sportif. So just doing some cleaning on that. That's my main race bike. And then I have my gravel bike. It's a Focus Mares AL. Got it from the same shop. So yeah. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday, and don't forget to smile.